Number 2, South Carolina women's basketball lost to number 4, Texas, 66-62. So, what exactly happened? I apologize for looking down because I cannot memorize all of this stuff. And this was a huge game in terms of conference because now both of these teams are 10-1 in the SEC. So, Texas was up 36 to 27 at halftime. Second half, Texas scored 30 points while South Carolina scored 35, and this ended a long winning streak for South Carolina in the SEC. But we knew it was going to end at some point. I mean, it was 57 games. But there's obviously more to the game than that. That's why I'm going to go over like the last minute of the game real fast in the stats here. So I'm going to really start with around 50 seconds left. Madison Booker fouled, and Bree Hall went to the line for South Carolina and made the second free throw after missing the first. And Kyla from Texas missed a layup, which was blocked by Sanaya Fagan. She got the defense board. South Carolina called timeout around 3 seconds later, 64-62. And Tessa Johnson missed a jumper around 19 seconds left. Madison Booker got the defensive board, and Bree Hall fouled, and Texas called timeout. And Malaysia Full Wiley fouled 2 consecutive times within 2 seconds of each other, 13 seconds and 11 seconds. And Rory Harmon went to the line, made both free throws. South Carolina called timeout. Sanaya Fagan missed a 3. Rory Harmon got the defense board around 9 seconds left, and that was ball game. And this was literally the first loss for South Carolina since the UCLA game. And I do believe both of these teams are 1 seeds in the NCAA tournament. I really do. So Texas had him shot better. Shot better in this game. 44.1% from the field on 59 attempts. 0 for 4 on 3. So that literally everything was 2-point shots, whether it's in the paint or long twos or free throws, which they made 2/3 of the free throws on 21 attempts. 42 rebounds, 15 of those offensive. 11 assists, 9 steals, 3 blocks, 13 turnovers, 18 fouls. How many points off the bench? 13 plus 4, that's 17 plus 2, that's 19. And 3 double-digit scores combined for 13 plus 11, that's 24, plus 20, that's 44. And one player scores 6 more points a game, had 8. And South Carolina had how many bench points? 13 plus 4, that's 1, that's 14, plus 17, that's 21. And one double-digit score combined for 13 points. And literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 other players that scored 6 more points in this game combined for 3 times like 7 is 21 because 3 players had 7 points. And that's 21 plus 9, that's 30, plus 9, that's 39. And South Carolina didn't shoot the ball good. That was good. 36.8% from the field on 57 attempts, 26.3% on threes on 19 attempts, 65.2% on free throws on 23 attempts, 35 rebounds, 11 of those offensive, 11 assists, 6 steals, 2 blocks, 10 turnovers, 20 fouls. I'm going to go over points out turnovers, points in the paint, and fast break points from here. And Texas won on the points out turnovers, 13-6. Fast break points did favor South Carolina, 13-5. Points in the paint favored Texas, 40-26. So these two teams are going for the next 5 games, which is literally the rest of the year for Texas. And I want to just start there, then go over South Carolina side of things. Well, you got to go on the road Kentucky next, and that's a better Kentucky team than a year ago. Way better. February 13th. February 16th, you got LSU at home. That's another tough game. February 24th, you got on the road to Georgia. That should be a win. Then on the road to Mississippi State. February 27th, that probably is one of the tougher games. Then you got Florida at home, March 2nd. So really, a few gimme games, but not a lot of them. Now South Carolina, you got the rest of the way. Florida at home, February 13th. You're going to win that game. You got UConn at home, February 16th. That's a tough game. February 20th, you got Arkansas at home. That should be a win. Then you got on the road to Vanderbilt. February 23rd, February 27th, you got Ole Miss on the road. And your last game is at home against Kentucky, March 2nd. So anyways, if you like this content, hit the like and subscribe. See you guys later. On the road to Sin Scores, course, ultimate goal is 1,000 more. So remind you, of course, like a video. Comment video really helps YouTube algorithms. More people see it. Sharing the video does help as well, so more people can watch. And if you're watching and not subscribed, hit subscribe button to ring the notification bell as well.